Baby, all I want is you. In the middle of the night, I've been thinking about you like, baby, all I want is you.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing the birthday box by Curlbox for 2020, which was featuring Qhemet Biologics. I was happy that Qhemet Biologics was in there because I am familiar with their products. There are some products in the box that I'm already familiar with, I already have. And then there's some that weren't in the box that I highly recommend that were in my favorites video, and I will let you guys know about that as well. So let me show you what was in the box real quick, and we'll get started with wash day. So the first thing is their cleanser, which is the Egyptian Wheatgrass cleansing tea with barley and wheatgrass. It is a sulfate-free shampoo for all hair types, and I'll definitely get into more detail about the ingredients going through the video. Then they have the Moringa tree conditioning ghee with coconut oil and Ayurvedic botanicals, and it conditions and detangles dry hair. So this is their conditioner. And it does say you can use it as a leave-in, a deep conditioner, or a detangler. And I've been trying to get my hands on this from their website for a while, and it stays sold out. So I'm actually going to use it as a leave-in because I want to get the full effects of it. And I'm going to use my DIY aloe and Ayurvedic deep conditioner for my deep conditioner. So if you guys want to see that, how I make that and putting that in my hair, let me know down in the comments. Next in the box is the Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. So this is like a grease, and grease has been making a big comeback. A lot of people are going back to grease, using grease, interested in using grease. So this is just like a grease. I did use this before on a twist out, and it gives you a bomb shine. So that is what this for. If you're interested in trying grease again or going back to grease, which I kind of been thinking about too, not sure yet, but this is something that I would use instead of maybe like a Blue Magic. Not saying nothing wrong with Blue Magic. If you want to use Blue Magic, go ahead, girl. I was just saying that if I go back, I would try something probably like this. Next is the Ethio Pika Hydrate and Twist Butter. Now this is like their Hydrate and Twist butter, but it is extremely thick. It is very, very thick. So this is not super creamy like the Nourishing Shine butter from Jane Carter. This one is stiffer, and you really have to really warm this up in your hands to get it to turn into like that oil that you're looking for. So last but not least is the Castor and Moringa Softening Serum. So this is what I use to take down my twist, and I like it. It's definitely a serum. Doesn't give me that heavy oil feeling, so I did like this as well. But these two I have never used, so I'm definitely excited to try it. So let's get this wash day started. So we're going to start off with this Egyptian Wheatgrass cleansing tea with barley and wheatgrass. This is a sulfate-free shampoo for all hair types. The texture was a little runny, and it did have a medicinal or earthy type of smell. And it has distilled water, Egyptian wheatgrass extract, barley extract, alfalfa extract, aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, and down like second to last, it has lavender essential oils. So it has some pretty good stuff in there. It lathered up really quickly. This definitely was more of a clarifying type shampoo, but not stripping. Very gentle clarifying shampoo, and it also had a softening effect, which was different. I've never experienced that with a shampoo. It's either like moisturizing or clarifying, but this was like a gentle clarifying shampoo with a softening effect, and it definitely got my hair clean for sure. Hey you guys, so I am back. I did my DIY deep conditioning treatment, and then I went through and sectioned my hair and put in the Moringa tree conditioning ghee. Like I said, this is made with coconut oil, so if you're not a fan of coconut oil, it does have coconut oil in towards the middle of the ingredients. But the first ingredients are amla extract, brahmi extract, nettle leaf extract, burdock root, oat straw extract, coconut oil, then a couple of other things. Then it has the moringa and MSM, and then some other yada yada yadas. Next, I'm going in with the Ethio Pika Hydrate and Twist butter. The ingredients are olive oil, mango butter, rice oil blend, a few other things. And it has a plant wax, which I'm thinking maybe the reason why it's so thick. I put the leave-in in. I'm going in with the Ethio Pika butter. And then I'm following up with the Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. So like I said, this is a grease. This is really, really soft and kind of melted like, which I really like. This says that you should be putting this on your scalp. And also it says apply to your edges and your ends to soften and deter breakage. The main ingredient is castor oil, and then it has amla extract, sesame seed oil, and it has a castor wax, but this doesn't feel stiff at all. This is super soft. So I'm going in, I'm actually putting this all through my strands. I'm not using much. I'm focusing on my ends, but I'm also getting a little bit on my strands as well, and I'm putting it on my scalp. So that is what I am doing, and so far this is what we are working with, and I'm liking the way it's looking. My ends are coiling up pretty nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and finish twisting up my hair, and we'll see what we got when we get done. Hey you guys, so I am back, and this is our twist out that we got from Qhemet Biologics. So y'all see my little jazz girl, because after you do 172 twist outs, you get bored. You be trying to figure out something different, okay? I didn't even want to take my twist out. I thought I was gonna come back to y'all like the next day, like, hey, you know, but it's been a few days because I didn't even want to take the twist out, and not for bad reason. So anyway, let me tell you guys who these products are for, and we'll jump into the products. These products are definitely for somebody who's looking for moisture, long-lasting moisture, and to lock in that moisture. So a lazy natural that just shampoos, you know, they do their wash routine. They want to just twist their hair up, braid it up, and not touch it, just leave it like that. Or somebody who is protective styling with braids, twists, wigs, or whatever. They twisting up their hair, they don't want to touch it. That person. And also for somebody who is suffering from dryness, they cannot seem to contain moisture and hold moisture in. I think some of these products will definitely be beneficial, and I'll explain why. So let's start with the Wheatgrass, the Egyptian Wheatgrass Cleansing Tea. I like this as a clarifying shampoo. It wasn't stripping, it wasn't drying, but it was definitely a deeper cleanse, which totally makes sense because these products are heavy butters, heavy creams. A lot of the first ingredient is castor oil. So you can't just continue to use a super moisturizing shampoo or a co-wash and think you're going to get that out if these products are in your normal regimen. So I did like this. I would reach for this if I'm looking for a deeper clean, a more clarifying shampoo. It was a gentle clarifying shampoo. Like, I knew it was clarifying, but it wasn't like super stripping, drying. My hair wasn't tangled. So I would reach for this as a clarifying shampoo. So next is the Moringa Tree Conditioning Ghee. Now they did say you can use this as a deep conditioner, a leave-in, a detangler. I'm not sure why they said a detangler, girl. You ain't detangling with this, okay? I would definitely continue to use it as a leave-in because it does pack a punch of moisture for sure. But it does not have any slip. It definitely reminds me of the Ottawa Beauty leave-in, where you're getting that moisture, but you really don't have a lot of slips. So you need to have your hair detangled before you get to this step. And I probably wouldn't use it as a deep conditioner either. But definitely as a leave-in, it does give a good pack of moisture. Now, I did say that, you know, this is their lighter weight leave-in, but it does have some weight to it. So type 3, type 4 still can use this and get some good moisture for sure. Next is this Ethio Pika Hydrate and Twist Butter. Girl, no, I cannot do it. It is a very good sealing heavy butter, but it's too much work. You have to dig in it and warm it up, and every twist you... Girl, no, I don't have that to do. I'm not doing it. We ain't starting no fires. I cannot. Girl, just get the Nourishing Shine from Jane Carter. It's a smoother, creamier, thick butter, and it'll do the same thing as this, but you don't have to work so hard, okay? Next is the Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. This is definitely a grease. If you have been interested in grease, or you already like grease, I recommend this. It is super soft, super like just, it's like a creamy grease. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I've been getting in on this. I did my scalp with it, and I put it through my strands. And that was why I did not want to take my twist out. My twist was so... Like, if y'all ever use grease to twist your hair, then you know how that grease locks in your moisture, and you can just wear your hair in those twists for a whole week. Like, just leave it alone. So if I'm ever going to wear my head wraps as my, you know, protective style like I normally do, I would definitely pair these two together. Rock them twists for a week. You can even get away with 2 weeks, and that moisture is in there, locked in. Now, if you don't really like that greasy feeling, then I still would only recommend you use this for your ends and your scalp. But girl, yeah, and it does give you a shine too. So if you want something to just take down your twist with and get a nice shine, then I do recommend this coconut and green tea softening serum. I've used this in the past. I did not have to use it to take these down, because once you use this, honey, you don't need anything else. Your hands will already have everything you need to take your twist down. But I've used this in the past when I've used like a line that didn't have an oil with it or something like that. And I like it. It is a nice serum to take down your twist or your roller set or whatever. And it's not heavy, so I did like that. I've used it about 5 times, and it's only to right here. A little bit does go a long way. But, you know, this is, you know, an extra little cute little serum or whatever. You don't necessarily have to buy it, but I like it. So also I wanted to mention that since this was their lighter weight leave-in, and it does have some weight to it, but you're looking for something a little heavier, that's like thicker, because those are the type of products that you like. For a leave-in, I would definitely suggest this Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee. I'm not sure why they call it detangling, because these products are so extremely thick that you cannot detangle. I would not suggest you detangle your hair with them. But as far as a leave-in that has moisture, and this was in one of my favorites videos, so I ain't lying, I do like this. It is super thick. Like, look how thick that is. Thick and creamy, and it's just a bomb moisturizer, like, for real. This is one of those leave-in conditioners you can put for a twist style. You can put it under a wash and go. Like, it's thick though, so your hair gonna take forever to dry, but when that moisture sets in, it's in there. This has nettle leaf, barley, horsetail, and cocoa butter. It does have some MSM and then some yada yada yadas. If I ever read ingredients and say yada yada yada, that's the stuff I can't pronounce and ain't finna try. Okay, also, this is a moisturizer. This is their Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. And that's exactly what it is, a heavy cream. But look how, can you see the shine on that? Like, it's so smooth and silky. The Cocoa Tree Detangling Ghee smells like chocolate, and this one has like smells like oranges or something. But this is a heavy cream too, so this is going to give you hella moisture, and this is a moisturizer. So this one says moisturizer, so this can be used on wet hair, dry hair, however you want to use it. So that is my review on the Qhemet Biologics. If I had to pick favorites, of course, these were already in my favorites, but they weren't in the box. So if I had to stick to what is in the box, I would absolutely use this cleansing tea as a clarifying shampoo. I did like that. I would definitely use this again as a leave-in. And if you are feeling grease, interested in grease, I would use this. So that's my review. Hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.